Okay, Anime Stand is India's first anime community. It's a forum, it's a website where people can, come share their views about anime, um, talk about anime, what's new, what's not, and general stuff, movie reviews, games, etc. So it's a fun little community where you can hang around and have fun. Um, we started Anime Stand about 2.5 years ago, and we created it for the only purpose of trying to find people like us. 2.5 years ago, anime was a very rare thing, so we needed to communicate to everyone else. So when we started it, slowly we've been growing. Okay, right now we have 500 members, and we have an IRC channel with about 20 active members who talk about any time of the day, during peak times especially. She's also one of our members, where she got introduced, and one advantage with Anime Stand is we have a close community where everyone knows everyone. We have meets, we conduct events, we have we introduce people to other people, and we just grow our network, and we share our thoughts, views, animes, etc. So it's a fun place to hang around, fun place to post your views, and if you are an artist, you can post your fan art, your drawing of something, and other people can comment about it or give suggestions. And we have a section in our website where people can write stories as in their own mangas. We have mangas drawn by members. And one more very important thing about Anime Stand is Animax did a survey on to our forums to all our members to find out what should be done in their channel stuff, and like we had suggested to them that no more Hindi dubs, and so that was taken off. Likewise, we have a Singapore-based manga publishing company who's doing a market survey with us now, and they've told us that we were going to release manga in India, and they want to know what price should we price it at and stuff. So we are like $100, $50, and the thoughts and views. So it's a very nice place to meet hardcore anime people who mostly watch subs. Plus, we also do have people from the Animax community also, and it's a nice thing to be part of. She can tell you more about Anime Stand. She's being one of our proud girl members.
I guess it was a very good feeling to join a forum where you meet other people like you, because actually I got to know Sanjay through Orkut. I just joined Orkut for the heck of it, and at that time I didn't know anybody else anywhere who liked anime other than me. And that feeling of meeting people who think like you, to know that you're not alone here, and to know that you're not weird, it's something really amazing. So for that, at least Anime Stand is very good. It's been a very good place, and I met some fantastic friends over there. There are some really nice people I met online, and then we had phone conversations, we had our meets. It was a good experience. And it's fun to have friends with whom you can talk about anime as well, because it's not always easy, because I don't watch Hindi movies or English movies all that much. So when other people are talking about it, I feel left out. If I talk about anime, they are gonna give me weird looks. So it's kind of nice to have friends who talk about these things. But yeah, I guess India needs to have more exposure. We need to have more people in the forum. We need to have more discussion, because right now all the people who have joined Anime Stand are people who have already seen a lot of animes. There just aren't many average viewers like me. There are the very obsessed types, or the ones who have hardly seen it and very new to this one. I don't know what to see. Every anime I see is a spoiler for me, kind of thing. So I guess we need a lot more exposure of anime to a lot more mainstream anime displayed to these people, and have more of these people joining. If I talk about any anime, I kind of feel a little left out in Anime Stand at times, because there are so many more people who have seen so much more than I have. So yeah, that kind of thing, that's the only thing that needs work. It will take some time. Anime Stand is like a baby with a lot of potential. It could grow into something really great. It still has the potential to grow. It's not like it's reached its end. It's not like it's reached its limit. It's just at the very beginning. So it's been pretty cool all in all to meet so many other Indians specifically. And also you get good recommendations from them. It's like if you like some anime, they'd be like, if you like this anime, you'll also like that, so think about seeing it, kind of things. So yeah, that's one of the best things about having a forum.
Right now, Orkut is a lot of help with us, because using Orkut, we have a small Anime Stand community in Orkut, which drives crowd into our main website, and through Orkut is the best way to find more people who will be interested to joining our community, and every day our community grows bigger and bigger. and eventually we all meet up. We have discussions. We go to the beach. We have small mini parties where we just sit and watch anime all night long, and it's good fun.
Like I said, Anime Stan is still in the baby stage. We still need to make it grow up a little bit.
So right now, I'm taking care of the community management for the website. So um, I try to get members and try to organize meets in every city possible. I actually do travel to other cities, just to organize meets. And a lot of people are like, "You're crazy," but I'm like, "What the hell? It's anime." So yeah, that's how. It'll grow soon. It's a small website, but in time, it will go big.